Children, today I will explain the concept of the probability distribution and the random variable. One of the very important topic after the Bayes theorem. There are two types of the question always present in the board examination. The one type is by Bayes theorem. The Bayes theorem is more important in the probability distribution. The second important topic is the probability distribution. Children, the 6 mark question belong to the two topics. The 6 marks question belong to the two topics previously. The Bayes theorem and the probability distribution. When you will search the last 10-20 years question paper, then you will see the most of the question belongs to the Bayes theorem and the probability distribution. So one of the very important topics. See, start with the random variable. What is a random variable? Suppose a random variable x. It may be age of a person. It may be whatever things. Suppose a question is find the probability distribution. Find the probability distribution for the number of heads in a two tosses of a coin. We will learn this concept. We will learn the concept of the random variable and the probability distribution with the help of this example. See, the question is find the probability distribution for the number of heads. Find the probability distribution for the number of heads in a two tosses of a coin. Children, if a coin is tossed two times or two coins is tossed simultaneously, if a coin is tossed two times, then how many times a number of heads can be present? How many times the head can occur? How many times the head can be appear? See, the x is a random variable. So how many times for the number of heads? If a coin is tossed two times, then how many times the head can be occur? So 0 times, because you see when you will make a sample space, so both head can tail head and tail. These are the sample space. So they are the first possibilities. They are the no head. So the x is 0. The random variable x is 0. Of one head, because one time head, one time tail, one time head, one time tail, and two heads can be appear. If a coin is tossed two times, then how many times the head can occur? The 0 times, 1 time, or 2 times. Maximum 2 times because the coin is tossed 2 times. What are their respective probabilities? The respective probabilities are so x is a random variable. Now, what is their probability? If head is not appear any time, not appear 0 time, not appear any time, so this is a case tail. So what is the probability? The probability is 1 by 4. If head is at the one time, then head tail and tail head, the other two possibilities are there. So the probability is 2 by 4. And both head can appear. So head and head, the probability is 1. This is a probability distribution. This table is a probability. It is a probability distribution. This table is a probability distribution. Children, you see, all the cases has been discussed. Both tail can be appeared. One head can be appeared the 2 times, and both head can be appeared. So all the cases can appear. So 100%, the sum of the probability should be 1. If your answer is correct, if your table is correct, then sum of the probability is 100% 1. You see, 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. So 2 plus 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4, the answer is 1. So if your answer is correct, then the sum of the probabilities should be 1. Children, listen. If this question, a coin is tossed 2 times, then easily you can make the sample space. But if a coin is tossed 4 times, if a coin is tossed 5 times, if a coin is tossed 6 times, then it is not easy to make a sample space. It is not easy to make a sample space. Then how will you do that type of the question, and that type of the question present in your syllabus? A coin is tossed 4 times, a coin is tossed 5 times. Then how will you find, how will you make the probability distribution? How will you make a probability distribution? See, one more concept for this. One more concept for this. Children, I explained the concept of the with replacement and without replacement. With replacement and without replacement. In the with replacement, the probabilities are never be changed, because if a ball is replaced once more time, the box number of balls will be same. See, there, if a coin is tossed, it is an example. See, children, it's a very important. If a coin is tossed, then it is a part of with replacement. If a coin is tossed, what is the probability of head of a coin is tossed? The probability of head is 1/2. Suppose another time when you will toss the coin, what is the probability of occurring the head? Once again, it will be 1/2. So whenever you will coin the toss, the probability of head is 1/2. So it is a part of with replacement. It is a part of with replacement. Suppose when you throw a die, so what is the probability of an even number? The probability of an even number is 1/2. The probability of an even number is 1/2. When you will second time you will throw a die, then what is the probability of even number? Once again, the probability is even number is 1/2. So it is an example of with replacement. So in case of with replacement, we can use the method of P and Q. P is the probability of success. P is the probability of success. P is the probability of success, and Q is the probability of failure. Q is the probability of failure. P is the probability of success, and Q is the probability of failure. And the method of P and Q can be used in case of with replacement. In case of with replacement, children, listen. P and Q. You can use the method of P and Q in case of with replacement. So whenever you throw a die, it's a case of with replacement, because the probabilities never be changed. In a coin, जब भी तुम उछालोगे उसमें हेड और टेल को अलग नहीं किया जा सकता है. हमेशा हेड और टेल मौजूद रहेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 हमेशा डाई पर ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट ऑन द डाई. सो इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ विद रिप्लेसमेंट. तो कॉइन वाले केस में हम लोग पी और क्यू वाले मेथड का यूज कर सकते हैं. डाई वाले केस में हम लोग, इसमें लिखा नहीं होगा विद रिप्लेसमेंट, ये ऑटोमेटिकली ये दोनों केसेस जो है वो विद रिप्लेसमेंट के पार्ट है, या क्वेश्चन में लिखा होगा विद रिप्लेसमेंट. देन वी कैन यूज द मेथड ऑफ पी एंड क्यू. You see. But now back to this question. A coin is tossed 2 times. If a coin is tossed 2 times, then find the probability of the number of heads. So what is the probability of head at first time? What is the probability of head? Actually, the probabilities never be changed. So what is the probability of head in a very first coin? The probability of occurring of head is 1/2, and the probability of not head 1 minus 1/2. It is 1/2. So you see, P and Q, they are the respective probabilities. P the probability of success, and Q is the probability of failure. Now see, what is the answer? Another method of finding this probability distribution. So either you see the 0 times success. It is the probability distribution for the number of heads. How many times the head occur? So 0 times the head occur. You are tossing the coin 2 times. So it is a possibility that the none of the times head occur, because the both time tail can be occur. So the Q into Q, the both time failure. Q into Q, the first time failure and the second time failure. You see, 1 time. So P into Q, 1 time failure and 1 time success. Because you are tossing the coin 2 times, throwing a coin 2 times, so 1 time failure into 2 factorial also. Because P into Q plus Q into P, head tail and tail head can be occurs. So into 2 factorial, you have to arrange also. I already explained when I explained the concept of the with replacement. Now, 2 times header. So both time it will be a success. Both time it will be a success. Now, what is q square? Q into q, q square. The q is 1 by 2. The q square is 1 by 4. The q square is 1 by 4. Now, p into q. So 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. It will be 1 upon 4. Into 2 factorial. So 1 upon 4 into 2 factorial. It will be 2 by 4. Now see, both p into p, then 1 by 4. P square. The p is 1 by 2. So it will be a p square. This method is a perfect method. See, actually, it's a combination. Actually, it is, you can write 2c0 q square. It is 2c1 q to the power 1 p to the power 1. And it is 2c2 p to the power 2. It is actually it is q plus p to the power 2, and it is a binomial theorem. It is a binomial theorem. The 2c0 q to the power 2, 2c1 q to the power 1 and p to the power 1, 2c2 p to the power 2. Suppose a coin is tossed 4 times. Suppose a coin is tossed, both probabilities are equal. Both probabilities are equal. See, if a coin is tossed 4 times, then what is the probability distribution? If a coin is tossed 4 times, then what is the, find the probability distribution for the number of heads. If a coin is tossed 4 times, yeah, sorry, I will change the question. Suppose a die is thrown 4 times. A die is thrown 4 times. What is the probability distribution for the number of sixes? What is the probability distribution for the number of sixes? A die is thrown 4 times. A die is thrown 4 times. Then what is the, find the probability distribution for the number of sixes. So what is the random variable? What is the random variable? The random variable. If a die is thrown 4 times, then how many times a 6 can appear? How many times? None of 0 times the 6 can appear. 1 time the 6 can appear. 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times the 6 can appear. So what is the respective probabilities? What is the respective probabilities? See, in a case of coin, in a case of die, it's a case of with replacement. It's a case of with replacement. So you can use the method of P and Q. In this case, what is the value of P? Number of sixes. What is the probability of 6? If a single throw of a die, because in a with replacement, always the probabilities are same. Anytime, none of the time the probability will be changed. So what is the probability? The probability of 6 is 1 by 6. So what is Q? So 1 minus 1 by 6. So it will be a 5 by 6. So the value of P is 1 by 6. The value of Q is 5 by 6. In this case, the value of N is the, how many times the trial? It is the 4 times. The value of N is 4. The value of N is 4. So it is 4C0 Q to the power 4. Because कोई बार भी यहाँ पर सक्सेस नहीं हुआ है. 0 का मतलब कोई बार भी 6 नहीं आया है. तो 4C0 चारों बार फेलियर हुए हैं. Q. यहाँ पर एक बार सक्सेस हुआ है. 3 बार फेलियर हुए हैं क्योंकि 4 बार वो चला गया है. तो 4C1 Q to the power 3 P to the power 1. There are 2 times success. So 4C2 Q to the power 2 and P to the power 2. 3 times success. 4C3 Q to the power 1 P to the power 3. And this a 4 times success. 4C4 P to the power 4. So it is a 0 times success, it is a 1 time success, it is a 2 times success, it is a 3 times success, and the 4 times success. It is the probability distribution. Now substituting the value of P and Q, so easily you can find with the help of binomial distribution. Otherwise, you cannot make a sample space of this theorem. So this method is very important. This method is very important. For the with replacement. And children, remember, this method you can use in case of with replacement. The method of P and Q you can use in case of with replacement. Only and only with replacement. A coin is a part of with replacement. A die is a part of with replacement. Both are the part of with replacement. See, if now another question. A box containing 4 black ball and 6 white ball. A box containing 4 black ball and 6 white ball. Three balls are drawn. Three balls are drawn randomly or without replacement. Randomly or without replacement. Three balls are drawn randomly or without replacement. Randomly or without replacement. Both is a part of the question. Or randomly or without replacement. Find the probability distribution. The question is find the probability distribution for black ball. For black balls. Find the probability distribution for the black ball. See the probability. What is the random variable? If a three balls are drawn one by one without replacement, or a three balls are drawn randomly, three balls are drawn randomly. So what is the random variable? What is the random variable? और for a black ball, हम लोगों को जब बनाना है ब्लैक बॉल के लिए, तो कोई भी ब्लैक बॉल नहीं निकली, तीन गेंदें निकालेंगे, उसमें कोई भी ब्लैक बॉल नहीं निकली, या एक ब्लैक बॉल निकली, या दो ब्लैक बॉल निकली, या तीनों ब्लैक बॉल निकली, या तो कोई भी ब्लैक बॉल नहीं निकली, या एक ब्लैक बॉल निकली, दो निकली, या तीनों निकली. What is their probability? What are their probability? If none of the balls is a black ball, so it means all the three balls are a white ball. All the three balls are a white ball. So the answer is 6C3 upon 10C3. You see, children, in case of without replacement or randomly, you can use the method of C. You can use the method of C, and you see NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. Using this, you can break this. A one black ball can be drawn. A one black ball is a success. So one black ball, it means 4C1. The rest, because the three balls are drawn, the rest of the balls are a white ball. So into 6C2 upon 10C3. Upon 10C3. Now see, the two black ball, so 4C2 into 6C1 upon 10C3. All three balls are a black ball, then 4C3 upon 10C3. It is the probability distribution. And remember, children, in सब का sum 1 आना चाहिए. The sum of in सब का sum 100% 1 आना चाहिए. अगर इन सब का sum 1 नहीं है, तो it means there is a some problem. There is a some problem. So in case of without replacement or randomly, you can use the method of C. In case with replacement, you can use the method of P and Q. Method of P and Q. Now, because it will be a 6 marks question. Because it will be a 6 marks question. So there are the some additional things they were asked. See, the mean and variance. The mean and variance of probability distribution. Of probability distribution. The mean and variance of the probability distribution. So how will you find the mean? X bar. Sorry, mean mu. It is also called the expected value. It is also called the expected value. The mean is summation pi into xi. The mean is summation pi into xi. And variance. Variance is summation pi into xi ka square minus mean ka square. Minus mean ka square. These will, it's a part of the question. If a question is 6 marks or 4 marks, then they will ask mean and the variance. See, suppose a coin is tossed 2 times. Find the probability distribution for the number of heads. So 0 times, 1 time, 2 times. What are their probabilities? The probabilities are 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and 1 by 4. Now, it is a probability distribution. After making the probability distribution, the question is find the mean, find the expected value. The mean is summation pi into xi. So it is pi and it is xi. So pi into xi, so 1 upon 4 into 0, 2 upon 4 into 1, 1 upon 4 into 2. It is 1 upon 2, it is 1 upon 2, it is 0. The answer is 1. In this case, the expected value is 1. Now, what is the variance? How will you find the variance? It is summation pi into xi ka square minus mean ka square. So pi यानी 1 upon 4 इंटू xi का स्क्वायर इंटू 0 का स्क्वायर 2/4 इंटू 1 का स्क्वायर 1/4 इंटू 2 का स्क्वायर माइनस मीन का स्क्वायर। आफ्टर सॉल्विंग यू विल गेट द वेरिएंस। आफ्टर सॉल्विंग आपको वेरिएंस मिल जाएगा। तो first you will make the probability distribution. First you will make the probability distribution. After that you will find the mean and variance.